I'm Fred Gabriel, editor of Investment News. So the phone rings, you just got a call from a recruiter. What are 3 questions that you should ask that recruiter right away?
When you get a call from a recruiter, it's almost intrusive sometimes in terms of judging whether you should take the call, when you should spend the time. So the first things to ask a recruiter are, first, what are their biases? In other words, is this a recruiter working for an internal company, meaning an internal recruiter working for a specific company, or is it an external recruiter that has an agenda just wanting to have you go somewhere, essentially? Just to differentiate myself, I'm an external recruiter. I work with a number of different firms, but in the recruiting space, there are often recruiters that are just working for a single company. The second thing I always advise candidates to ask is to make sure to understand what that recruiter knows about him or her. Some of that is, I think, a test in order to test their skill level. I think there's very little reason, or I could argue no reason, that somebody should make a phone call in this day and age without knowing something about who they're calling. And if you don't know anything, not that I don't cold call, I do, but we've tried to do some homework ahead of time, because otherwise it's just being lazy. The third thing is just to clarify as best you can what the experience level of the person that you're talking to is. It doesn't mean that somebody who's brand new is okay. They could be cold calling for somebody else, but it's an understanding of, okay, I understand where you're coming from or not. And the final thing, I guess, is to say, to make sure that person respects your time. They're calling you in the middle of your day, presumably, and to talk about, if this is to go anywhere, things that are confidential. And if it is you're going to talk about something that's confidential, you should be, as the candidate, be in a position to talk freely without prying eyes and ears.